Alright guys, so right now we're at the Zadak booth and they got something super cool here. This tiny system is fully water cooled and is a powerful gaming piece. Let's check this out and see how it's so portable and powerful. The Zadak M.O.A.B, mother of all bombs. Yes, they actually named it that, but I would say it does fit the name. While it's certainly not a bomb, it does pack a similar punch. It is a beast of a gaming PC packed in a super tiny footprint. But it's not only that, it still hits a perfect balance between extreme performance, compact size, and stunning design. Now what makes this so special is the fact that it's fully water cooled with a custom loop, and it's yet still super duper small. And what they've done is use a patented motherboard tray design that is not only a motherboard tray and not only a water reservoir, but it's also a channel for the liquid cooling solution to flow. All of these parts are also machined with high grade aluminum, and it looks super elegant from every angle. One other interesting feature of this is the swipe to power surface. You can use this to act as a power button for your system, and all you have to do is swipe up. Next to it is a digital gauge that shows some basic information about system performance. Now, from what we understand, this unit is not yet available in European markets or other Western countries, but it's currently being retailed as a pre-built system in some Asian markets, and they're trying so hard to bring it to the Western market and make it available globally. But until then, we certainly look forward to seeing more innovative products like this from Zadak. So that's it for this video guys. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you on the next one.